was the third charanam of the Bhairavi Swarajati Kamakshi Amba, written by Shyama Shastri, set to Mishra Chaputalam. Now, I will sing the swaras first for your reference, and then I'll sing the charanam, and I hope you are able to make the connection between my playing and my singing. So the swaras are like this. Ga ma ga re sa re ni sa re ga ma pa ga re ga ma pa da ma ga re sa ni ga re ga ma pa da ni da pa ma ga re sa ga ma कुंभकुच मदमत गजगम पद्म भव हरि शंभुनुत पद शंकरी नीबुना चिंतलवे वेगति चम्माये पुडुका క్షేయంబ